Hi, we are the research engineers from Brentwood High School in Brentwood, New York. For this year's Source America IDEATE competition, we've partnered with Maryhaven Center of Hope, located in Yaphank, New York.
Maryhaven provides community-integrated jobs for people with a variety of disabilities. We were fortunate to collaborate with several Maryhaven employees, including our SME Victor. Victor enjoys his job packaging single-use utensil bags. Victor is one of the most productive packing employees at Maryhaven, producing 800 to 1,000 packages per day. Because Victor is so fast at packing, those who just heat seal cannot keep up with him. These unsealed packs create a problem for the facility and supervisors, as they cannot leave unfinished products at the end of the day.
During our first visit with Victor, we were able to see his incredible ability to package the utensils, but due to his right side paralysis, he was unable to operate the heat sealer to complete the job. At the facility, employees typically hold the package with one hand while operating the heat sealer with the other. Employees who are only able to perform one task are paid just for that task and not for the entire job.
After the initial meeting, we began to brainstorm ideas that could effectively tackle the issue of heat sealing with one hand to accommodate for Victor's paralysis. We first began creating cardboard prototypes. This consisted of a flat elevated panel that would hold the bag and allow the operator to use the heat sealer with one hand. Although a good start, the seals were inconsistent. This led to the creation of a cradle design that would hold the package side to side and keep it straight. Once we were confident in our initial design, we prototyped using CAD modeling software, allowing the cradle to be 3D printed.
During testing of our prototype, we noticed that Maryhaven produced utensil bags of 2 different lengths. This was not apparent during our initial visit. Although Victor was extremely adept at recognizing and overcoming this issue on his own, we knew we had more work to do. With input from Victor and his supervisors, we set out to make a more versatile cradle that would work with both sizes. Back in the lab, we put the new feedback to use and created a final design. Inspired by Victor and his amazing attitude, we came up with the Victory Sealer. The Victory Sealer consists of a sturdy wooden base with a slot to hold the heat sealer firmly in place. We made sure the heat sealer would fit facing either direction so the device could be used left or right-handed. There are provisions for a short model heat sealer to be held in either direction for those employees who prefer the shorter range of motion of a smaller heat sealer. Our cradle design consists of a 25-degree angle that helps guide the package into position. The 3D printed cradle also incorporates a recess near the top, which allows the package to be placed with spoons facing up or down, as well as a stepped surface at the bottom to allow for the different length packages to be sealed correctly.
We wanted to incorporate versatility into our device, so our team came up with the CARE system, or Customizable Adaptable Rail Engagement System. The CARE system allows the 3D printed cradles to be easily swapped out while still holding them securely in place. It incorporates stops that ensure proper package alignment with the sealer for left and right-handed use. Finally, the CARE system allows the Victory Sealer to be used for other heat sealing jobs. For instance, Maryhaven also packages remote, so we were able to make a cradle for that as well.
The Victory Sealer included everything we wanted: a compact design that was versatile and could increase Victor's efficiency. When Victor tried the final version of the Victory Sealer, he knew it was time to rock and roll.
Though Victor's output was reduced from 192 packs per hour to 156, his pay would increase over 16% because he was now performing the additional job at the same time. The fact that Victor can now heat seal his own work also means that there is a reduction of unfinished bags for Maryhaven and its supervisors to deal with. The Victory Sealer was not only a benefit for Victor, but also other employees at Maryhaven. We had the pleasure of working with Justine, a heat sealer who is legally blind. Because Justine is not able to see where the top of the utensil bag is, she must rely on her hands, which sometimes leads to discomfort on her fingers due to the heat. We introduced the device to Justine, and she loved it.
This makes it so much easier.
Before, Justine was able to heat seal 5 bags per minute. With our device, Justine was able to consistently seal 6 bags per minute, and Justine didn't have to put her fingers close to the heating element. The Victory Sealer was able to adapt for a different operator and provide Justine with a 20% increase in pay.
Working with Victor, Justine, and Maryhaven was an eye-opening experience. It felt good to be able to provide individuals such as Victor with additional opportunities, along with the increased quality of life that comes with more pay. This experience has truly inspired us, and we hope to continue working with people with disabilities in the future.